Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 40 NxtPaper, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that whatever you want to capture is actually visible right now on your display. From there, all you will need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have a little bit of a vibration along with the pop-up with scroll, share, and the delete options. Now, scroll option will be accessible to you in places like settings where you can scroll down on. And this will allow you to capture a longer version of a screenshot. So not just what's visible on the screen, but if you start scrolling down, it will also capture what's below the screen. In any case, once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it in your Photos application, and we will navigate to Library. Here you'll find a screenshots album, and in here you should see only screenshots that I've captured over the time. So there we go. There is the screenshot that I have just captured. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.